washing clothes can often feel like a daily hassle, squeezed between work, family time, and precious moments of relaxation. The Voltas Beko 7 kg 5-star semi-automatic top-load washing machine is here to simplify this task. Experience enhanced cleaning with the Pure Stream Pulsator, designed to remove the toughest stains with ease, ensuring your clothes get a deep clean with care. Got a splashy laundry area? No worries. This machine's water-resistant IPX4 panel keeps it safe and working perfectly, no matter the splashes. With the 5-knob control method, take charge of your laundry easily. Twist, turn, and tailor your wash settings for a personalized, hassle-free experience. The air dry feature enhances drying efficiency, circulating air through clothes to reduce moisture content significantly, speeding up the drying process and ensuring clothes are ready to wear in less time. Ever find lint, loose threads, or even buttons mixed in with your freshly washed clothes? The lint filter got you covered, capturing all that stuff to keep your clothes cleaner and lasting longer. Tailor every wash to specific laundry loads with the water level adjuster, ensuring optimal water usage for both small and large loads, enhancing efficiency and conservation. Built with a robust, rust-free plastic body, the washing machine promises longevity and resilience against wear and tear, standing strong as a durable addition to any home. It maximizes efficiency with the high spin speed feature, cutting down drying time. Proudly made in India, this washing machine combines innovation with versatility for all your laundry needs, backed by a 1-year comprehensive warranty and a 5-year warranty on the wash motor for years of reliable performance. The Voltas Beko 7 kg 5-star semi-automatic top-load washing machine effortlessly simplifies your daily routine, standing as your reliable partner of everyday happiness.